Hey, this is Jay the Scrapper. Came to the school where my daughter goes and they gave me all these tables. And there's a couple of more. So let's see if we do maybe 2 runs. And then we'll call it a day and we find out what is the amount. All that, huh? Well, this is the second run. As you can see, it's pretty packed up in here. We got one more run. Well, this right here, my friends, is the 3rd run. And we done. Let's see what we get. Alright, we back from the junkyard. And the first run was 320 pounds. The second run was 260 pounds. And the third run was 160. Altogether is 740 pounds, 3 cents a pound, $22. 22 buckaroos. And that is the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share this video, and remember, one day at a time, one day at a time.